Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on XREAL Beam Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search and type in turbo VPN and click search. And now you have to select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click allow. Then click on send and click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.